Let's play hide and seek. Find and tap on Elliot. Elliot is over the rock. Uh-oh, try again. Search for Elliot. Elliot is over the rock. Search for Elliot. Great job! Can you find Billy? Billy is behind the rock. Find and tap on Billy. Correct! Can you find Lisa? Lisa is under the satellite dish. Find and tap on Lisa. Lisa is under the satellite dish. Uh-oh, try again. Great job! Well done! You found all your friends!